Do us keep it now all of a sudden.
Oh yeah, that's a 45mm.
I'm hoping to have nothing left. Ready? Boom.
Big one up in the air, mind. You've got to watch it all the way up, right?
Left set. Come on. Ready, steady, go! Push! Yay!
Abracadabra!
One more now. Revenge is more than anyone else.
Do it.
My little girl's got bad one fucking no, not at all.
Not at all.
Oh, wait, Rob.
Oh, let me look on.
This one, yeah? It's that fuse? I think.
Yeah.
I
Sorry,
got
yeah.
fuse. Not at all.
You think I'm stupid?
No, not at all. That's silly.
Duh.
Yeah.
You can't be stupid, Charlie. You spell your name, can you?
Do something at me. Right.
Right.
Oh, just the
Lot
end.
of flum.
Let me watch you.
Where's that thing then? What have you done?
Oh, my hand's right there. Now, if you see this, we start now.
Here comes the guys. Chuck them on. Claire, you just dropped something. Claire, they're for us, not for them. They're bums.
Cool.
Look at that. Was that the one that flew across there? What have you done? You know with Charlie?
Going through around.
When it's falling.
Oh, if it falls, cover your eyes.
Ooh, pretty.
And we got a noisy one, Zoa. Oh. That was timing. You know my humor was dangerous.
Look where you're aiming. Is that dug in a crane? That can't be dug in a crane, mind. Fucking dog, Claire. Fucking hell. The fucking one's got the last one as well. Do that on purpose, Claire? Yeah. No. You mustn't dig in a crane. It's on yet.
I forget that way.
You mustn't dig in a crane that gets stuck in a crane, don't go off.
Well, I know that now, don't I?
Well, so it's free, so you got to take off. Fucking hell.
That's every year some fucking nearly gets killed.
That was sick.
That's what I said. Fucking said. You hear it go. Sorry about that. That's why I'm glad you grabbed him, man.
In there,
I said to make sure it's not digging. I said move.
Nice way, didn't
your son. We just had to run off.
I didn't do it, one. I thought it was like this comes already.
Let's go. She walks off the mountain. Sleeping tomorrow, you are, boy. In the big bed.
Yes, you. She doesn't like that. Go on,
You should push it over, man. You like that, Rob?
Too big pussy.
I
will, let me.
Claire, move.
Oh, please. Craig, no conversation.
That's going to burn straight into your top.
You like that?
Go on. You're going to lose your hairs on your ass, mind.
He's only playing.
You need the fucking guide tube as well.
Threaten.
I want to watch it.
Are you Rob?
If you're scared of blood, turn around now.
Come on then, Rob, hurry up. Don't go all night. It's quite soft here, go on, ready?
I got a flint or a flint.
Rob, hurry up, Rob.
Whoa!
Hurry, Robbie.
Behave yourself! What's wrong with you?
Jack,
Stop in!
Claire.
Just the bin!
Woohoo!
Do a big bang!
That's it. Hey, wasn't that beautiful?
Marvellous. Let's give this a spin.
Bang! Oh, watch this big one, eh, mate. This is one for you, now.
No, wait,
Roll it out.
Woo! Whoa!
Bang! That is that, eh?
Let's shoot anyway.
Boy, there's children here, they love them. This is what they come for.
It's not to please you, Claire.
No.
God, take me to a place of happiness.
This one any good time.
Twist it, man.
Hold it.
Charles, do you want some of this? No.
Would you like that? No, it's not real then.
This is Craig just about to fucking singe his ass. There he is.
It's me! One step!
Your coat's on fire.
Is it yes?
No. We ought to ask for a round of applause for that, mate. They're not a very appreciated audience we got here, have they?
Oh, fucking shit.
Fella burning his ass. For fucking 50 quid off. You've been framed when
Hopefully, I pay my ass at it. One lamb, Claire.
Watch out! Claire, watch out! Go!
Whoa! Seriously? Oh my god!
Run!
Oh, sorry. Who's accident? You should move quickly.
They fucking ran.
They ran, they're still fucking running probably.
He got broken knee.
He moved faster than a broken knee, I know.
What's he, mate?
Oh, was there people there?
Yes, 2 kids.
I didn't mind them stairs, not fucking look that way.
This is well, you noticed, man. You're the only one looking.
Look at the smoke shit. I know what she's like.
It's fucking brilliant, aye.
She's dopey and attended, like. Imagine if she wanted to be dopey.
One more.
No, man.